Yo. I got a 2003 CL55 in here. How somebody talked me into bringing this thing in here, I don't know. It just looks like, I don't even want to look at it. Beautiful car, huh? Very nice. Very nice looking car. You got a problem with it. You open the door and the window's supposed to roll down so the door can actually open up. And you close it, it doesn't go back up. And another problem is he's got a parasitic draw. The battery goes dead after it sits for about 3 days. And it's got a squeaky belt. He wanted me to fix it. I told him no. He's like, oh, come on, you're a great mechanic. You can fix anything. I have faith in you. Blah, blah, blah. I accessed all the computers in here, and of course it's going to find a bunch of faults with it because that's the way this aftermarket stuff is. These things are 100 grand new, and if you want to buy one used right now, they're probably about 5,000 bucks. I wouldn't trade this for my Honda Civic. I dread even looking at this fancy thing. Every time I look at a car like this, I lose money just because it shows up. I just waste a bunch of time on it, and I get all frustrated because they're not mechanically friendly. They're not user friendly for your average commoner mechanic. I mean, look around here. Now, does it look like the oligarch just showed up and started showering me in my shop with money so I could fix one of these things? I'm going to go with no. Somebody had more money than God and bought one of these things, and now somebody that doesn't expects me to be able to fix this just like a regular car. Well, yeah, I know how to fix this car. Well, there it is. There's the fix. Now it's a lamp. It's a $5,000 lamp. So now you can just leave it sit somewhere and turn the lights on and make it look pretty. Ooh, fancy. And if you're lucky, once in a while you might be able to drive your fancy lamp. In the meantime, I'm going to tell this guy to break out the KY jelly and take it to the dealer, or take it to some Mercedes-Benz expert guy that's all fancy. I'm just not that fancy. Sorry. Okay, bye.